For the streak test, you and the students will need a mineral and white and black streak plates. Tell students not to hold the plates or the minerals in the air while streaking, as this may cause them to break. Hold the plates firmly on the table with 2 fingers. Streak the mineral firmly across the plate. If the streak it leaves isn't visible on one plate, have them streak it on the other. Students should record the color of the streak on their observation sheets. For the hardness test, you and the students will need a mineral, a glass plate, an iron plate, a copper plate, and a fingernail. Tell students not to hold the materials or minerals in the air while scratching, as this may cause them to break. When scratching a material with the mineral, hold it firmly on the table with 1 or 2 fingers. Scratch the mineral firmly across each material, starting with glass, next with iron, next with copper, and finally with your fingernail. Have students circle the category on their observation sheet when they observe a scratch. Once one material is visibly scratched, you need not scratch the next materials in order, as they are softer than the first and will also be scratched. For the cleavage or fracture test, explain to students that some minerals have 1 or more completely flat sides. This is called cleavage, while some minerals have no completely flat sides. This is called fracture. Identify whether each mineral is showing fracture or cleavage, and have students record it on their observation sheets. If the mineral is showing cleavage, identify how many sets of parallel sides there are, and have students record it as well. For the luster test, explain to students that minerals have different types of shininess, or luster. They can have metallic luster, similar to aluminum foil, a glassy luster, similar to this glass plate, dull luster, similar to a wood block, or pearly luster, similar to soap. See which of these lusters your mineral appears most like, and have students record it on their observation sheets. For the magnetism test, you and the students will need a mineral and a magnet. Hold the magnet up to the mineral and feel if any attraction is felt. Have students record whether or not the magnet has any effect on their observation sheets. For the acid test, you will need hydrochloric acid, a mineral, and a plate. After ensuring that all students are wearing goggles, drop a few drops of hydrochloric acid on the mineral. Explain to students that some minerals fizz when acid is dropped on them. Be very careful when handling and cleaning up after the hydrochloric acid.